Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a good old-fashioned what I eat in a day, and if you guys are new to my channel, then these videos consist of what I eat in a day to lose weight, to maintain weight, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it. I had VSG 4 years ago and I'm still continuing to lose weight, and I'm really concentrating on losing the regain that I had. I'll leave more information about my journey down below in videos that I've done prior. But this video is going to be super vlog style, super casual. Don't expect to see anything fancy. And yeah, I eat pretty low carb, high protein, and that's what my diet consists of. I'll be leaving all macros on the screen for you guys. And that's that. So let's get into the day of what I eat. Alright guys, it is time for breakfast. I'm having a super late breakfast, but I wanted to try something new for the video, and for myself actually. So I'm going to be making little egg muffin bites, but I'm going to be doing them a little bit differently, and I'll show you guys what I'm using right now. So I love spinach, and I love spinach with eggs and cheese. So I thought I would do an egg bite, but I would also add some Kodiak cakes, just their regular power cakes for the flapjack and waffle mix, a tiny bit, and a little bit of water. I'll show you guys everything and how I do it, and I want to see how they turn out. Maybe it's going to be good, maybe it's going to be bad. We'll see together. So I'm going to be doing about 1 heaping tablespoon of the Kodiak cakes, power cake stuff. So just 1 heaping teaspoon of that. I don't want too much of it. I want more egg than I do of the mix. And then I'm going to be adding 3 organic eggs. You can use egg substitute or whatever works for you. Oh my god, I'm going to be embarrassed. Okay, so whatever works for you, and it depends on what portion you're making. This is the first time I'm ever making this, so I don't know. Zach. So I had to bring out my mixer. I'm going to be adding about like a teaspoon of baking soda. Any baking soda will do, and this is just going to help the what am I talking about, the egg muffin rise. And then my favorite part, some cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I'm going to literally stick my hand in here, take a handful, like a cup, and just throw it right in there. It's full of protein, good fats, all that good stuff. And I'm just going to mix this up again. Make sure you like the texture of it. Want to add some more cheese. That's my oven, and it's ready. And I'm almost ready too. Just adding some chopped spinach. You could use frozen, fresh. I like using frozen because it's easier to mix into my muffins. And I'm going to make Zach come up here and show you guys a close-up once it's all mixed up. Salt and pepper, last but not least. Be careful of how much salt you put in, because remember, cheese has salt in it. And I like to do some ground fresh pepper because I like my eggs like that. You can also add hot sauce, any other vegetable. So let's get these in our muffin trays or in our cupcake tray and put them in the oven. So I just sprayed my pan with some olive oil non-stick spray. You could use any non-stick spray you have. And I'm just going to be pouring these in. They will rise a little bit. I don't even know how many these are going to make, but I guess we will find out together. Make sure you get enough egg and seasoning and toppings in there, because a lot of the toppings sink to the bottom. So yeah. I'm really excited, guys. You see how they're rising? That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted more of like a muffin instead of just a flat egg. And here I'll open up the doors so you guys can see. And they're just about done. Probably another 10 more minutes. Alright guys, so here are my egg bites. Look how amazing they look. I have 2 here for a portion. So I will write the macros on the side of the screen as far as how much calories, protein, and all that good stuff is in there. And you know what? I want to take a bite of this. So let's take a bite together. And this is just sriracha. So you can see that it's still a little bit doughy with the egg. Yum. Wow, guys. That's like very, very, very good. Like I'm shocked. That tastes so good. It tastes like a quiche, but you're using some protein-packed pancake mix instead. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below. Wow. You guys have to try this. It's amazing. Me again, currently much later in the day, and I have been faced with a dilemma, an obstacle, a type of thing that I would love to talk about on here while I have your attention. My boyfriend wants crappy fast food, and I'm sure a lot of people are faced with this obstacle of a family member or a friend or even themselves wanting some crappy fast food while they're trying to eat good. There are always options for you at fast food restaurants. So my boyfriend wanted Five Guys, so I got a BLT, and what I'm gonna do is instead of eating the bun, I'm just gonna eat the bacon, lettuce, tomato. I got sauteed onion, sauteed mushrooms. So there is always a way to make something a little bit more healthier. Obviously, I would love to create something on my own and have like a salad that is totally full of nutrients, but this is a part of life, and it's a part of everybody's life. You can't just sit at home all day and cook 5-course meals every single time you have to eat. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and how I eat it and how I do it so I still lose weight, because look at me, I'm still losing weight and I'm still living my life. So let me show you guys my lunch. So here is my lunch, right? It looks like a super unhealthy burger. I mean, obviously, but all you gotta do is literally take off the bun, and underneath there is so much protein, vegetables. I mean, I know it's not ideal, but it's better than eating something like this, which is just like a full cheeseburger. So like I said, you can always compromise, and you can always still eat with your partner or your friends, or still go out to restaurants. You just have to kind of modify things to work for your own diet. All right, guys, so it is dinner time, and it's time to make some dinner. Now, it is 6 o'clock. I'm gonna start making some dinner. Tonight's dinner is gonna be pasta, yes, pasta, with chicken and a lot of good vegetables, and it's gonna be amazing. And I know that a lot of people are scared of pasta, but if you eat the correct portion and you're careful of what pasta you buy, it's okay. I got this pasta. I thought it's fun. It's the fall zucchete pasta. It's butternut squash pasta, so it's a little bit healthier for you. And there are so many pasta alternatives now, so you can literally take any alternative you want and recreate this dish. So let's get to cooking dinner. I'm just gonna do a quick ingredient roundup. So the first thing you're gonna need is pasta. Any type of pasta will do. And then I'm using chicken breast for my protein. Again, any type of protein. And some veggies that I had on hand. I have some mini sweet peppers and some purple basil, some onion. And then for the chicken, I'm just using some Creole seasoning and some of this chipotle and roasted garlic with salt and pepper to season my chicken. And I have Parmesan cheese here. Also for my sauce, so I'm just using a pre-made sauce. This is organic vodka sauce from Trader Joe's. Clearly I love Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna mix these two things in with it. This is Italian bomba pepper sauce. It's very hot, extremely hot, and then I have some garlic here as well. So I'll show you how all of this turns into something like this. So I'm just preparing the chicken right now, and I don't like a ton of chicken in my pasta, so you just add as much as you would like. These are just chicken breast tenderloins. So I'm gonna do about half the package. And this is for me and another person, so it's a 2-person serving, so each of us would get about 1 breast of chicken. what I did now is, I'm sorry, it's so noisy. I just added my onions and peppers into my chicken. I'm gonna let that saute. I'm gonna let my pasta cook up, whoops. And everything is gonna come together soon. Okay guys, so I mixed in all the stuff with my vodka sauce. And now all that's left to do is add in, sorry for the extremely aesthetically pleasing vlogging, my little pastas that look like pumpkins, how fun. And then I'm gonna add some fresh Parmesan. You can add any other type of cheese. I might add some different types of cheeses in here too. And you guys can tell I added peas because I love peas. Bucko, not now, please. We're trying to get a pasta shot. Look at that, looks so good. So here is the pasta that I am about to eat. It's about a portion the size of my palm. So it's about 3/4 of a cup of pasta. We got that protein in there, veggies, all the macros are gonna be right here. And just look how amazing that looks. Some fresh Parmesan. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner. From my lipstick, it shows that dinner is done. Zach is undoing my dress so I can go shower. I just had the most amazing dinner and that was so good. I totally recommend that pasta. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower. I don't know if I'm gonna have a snack tonight. I probably will. I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so it is much later on in the day. It is around 9 o'clock and I'm having my last meal or last thing to eat today, and I'm just gonna have a Quest s'mores bar. And I like having a bar. You guys will see if you watch my other what I eat in a days. I usually have a bar at the end of the night just because it's something sweet. I feel like it satisfies my cravings for sweet, and it's good for you because it has 21 grams of protein. And for me, protein is super duper important, and I love the flavor s'mores of pretty much anything. And that's all for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I don't believe I said this in the intro of my video, but I'm saying it now. A warning to everybody, I'm not a dietitian. I'm not like actually trained in diet and nutrition. I'm not a doctor, so please follow a diet that works for you and what your doctor recommends for you. I'm just showing you guys what I did to lose weight and what I do to maintain my weight. So with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.